How's it going, everyone? Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about GPU risers. I said in a prior video that I wasn't able to use GPU risers for the time being, and that had to do a lot with the power that comes into this room. It's not clean power. Clean power means that there's faulty wiring in this house, and because of the faulty wiring and stuff like that, it causes light bulbs to burn out prematurely. And I'm talking about those LED light bulbs, or those energy efficient light bulbs that are supposed to last for 10 years. In my house, they only last for maybe 2-3 months in certain rooms or certain fixtures, and that has a lot to do with just the way that the wiring is in the house. I have a fan running here on my CPU or on my computer. If I turn the fan on and off, the lights flicker. So that's an indication of bad wiring. But anyways, I'm talking about GPU risers today because I am using GPU risers now, and they're working perfectly. Knock on wood. They're working perfectly. I don't have any issues with them. But I did have an issue with GPU risers that I was using on a batch before the ones that I just got. So we're going to talk about that and why you should be looking at which GPU risers that you're potentially buying so you can buy the right ones or the more efficient ones. So the ones we're talking about today is this batch right here. Okay, there's my camera. This batch right here. This is version 009S. A lot of times it's indicated by the PCIe slot right here. There's a ton of other different GPU risers out there, especially if you're looking on Amazon, eBay, or whatever. I did buy these on Amazon. It was a pack of, was it 6 or something like that? 6 of these. I got them on sale. It was $35. They go on sale quite a bit. And anyways, the ones that I bought before, where it was a different one, it had a blue PCIe slot on there. I think it was version 006 or something like that. That version, it had problems. I would go ahead and connect it to my PC, and a lot of the times what would happen is that it wouldn't get a connection between the GPU and the PC. Sometimes it wouldn't recognize the GPU. So I wouldn't be able to find it in my system, no matter how hard I would look. So I'd have to restart the system, take it in and out, and and then it would show up. But then what would happen? It would cause crashing when I would try to mine whatever I'm trying to mine. It doesn't matter if I underclocked it. Didn't matter if I put the limiter for the power to be drastically reduced, and I'm talking about 50% down on the slider. So it didn't matter. Didn't matter what I was doing. It didn't matter if I was running only 2 cards versus 3 cards. Didn't matter. It would cause problems, cause crashing. I would swap out the PCIes, try different ones to see if any of them would be stable. I tried the little connector that goes into the PCIe Express slot in the PC. So these right here, I would try different ones of these to see if maybe this was the problem. I would try different USB cables. Nothing would solve it. So eventually I went ahead and I returned those, and I got myself these, and these seem to be doing the trick. I've been running these for solid 2 days. No issues, no crashing, outside of the initial testing to get everything properly running as far as overclocking and power limiting and all of that stuff, so that way everything's good to go. But these are the ones that you want to go for, and I hope that you guys found this informational. So take a look at this, make sure this is the right one. You can buy them on Amazon. I will go ahead and put an affiliate link down below if you guys want to help the channel out. That helps the channel out. You click on the affiliate link and sends a little bit of kickback, not a huge amount, just a little bit. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Happy mining.